Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss about the instantaneous description of the Turing machine. Okay, so before going to construct instantaneous description, we must construct the design of Turing machine. Now you see, so this is a Turing machine for 0 power n and 1 power n. So when there is a 0, 0 will be converted as x. Again you go to the right hand side value, right hand side. Again, when you found 1, 1 will be converted as y. Again you come back, 0 will be converted as x. So this is a Turing machine. So let us focus on instantaneous description of the Turing machine. Now the given value is q naught on 0 0 1 1. So remember, now we are talking about the q naught on 0. So what is the meaning of this q naught on 0? So q naught on 0 means q naught on 0, it goes to right side. Right side means this place. So this place is called as a right side. So after 0, what will come? It goes to right side where q1. So this q1 will come here. Q1 will come here. And what about this 0 1 1? 0 1 1 remains same. Okay. So now this 0, this will be 0 will be converted as x. Okay. So next one, q1 on 0. Okay. Q1 on 0, go to q1 only. But where it go? Right side. Right side means this place. Okay. So 1 1 is as it is before 1 1. Q1 on 0 goes to q1 only. Hence q1 remains same, but it comes after 0. But if you see, this value of 0 is remains same. It is not changed. This is also 0 and x. Next value, q1 on 1. Okay, q1 on 1 go to q2 where it is the left side. Remember, left side means this place. Okay, so here x remains same. q1 on 1, this q1 on 1. So this q1 on 1 go to q1 on 1 go to q2, but where it is a left side. That's why now you can observe q1 on 1 go to left side. That's why we come here left side q2 x q2. This 0 remains same. Okay, q1 on 1, but where is the what is the value of this 1? 1 is converted as y. Okay, then 1 remains same. Now next one, q2 on 0. So what is the value of q2 on 0? q2 on 0 go to q2 on 0 go to q2 only. q2 on 0 go to q2 only. So now when it is go to q2, it is going to the left side. So when it is go to the left side, q2 on 0 go to, so it is q2 on 0, it goes to the q2 only. Now you see q2 on 0 go to q2, but it goes to the left side. So where is the left side movement of this q2? So this q2 left side movement is this one. Okay. So here this q2 on 0 go to q2 only. Now just you write q2 as it is. Okay. Then x remains same. But what about this 0? 0 is also remains same. Y 1. Next one what we have? q2 on x. Okay. So q2 on x. q2 on x go to q0. But where it is a right side. Now q2 on x go. This is the right side of the q2. Now x remains same. This q2 will come here, but it goes to q0. Then you write here q0 x q0 and this 0 y1. Again q naught on 0. So q naught on 0 means q naught on 0. So q naught on 0, it go to the q1 where it goes right side. So this is called as a right moment of q naught, but it goes to q1. So this place you write as q1 and this y1 remains same. Y1 remains same, but the 0 will be converted as x. X x, q1 y. So q1 y means q1 y. It goes to q1 only, right side. So here important thing, q1 on y, q1 on y go to qy, q1 only, but it is right side. So right side means this place. So after y, so after y what will come? X remains same. So q1 on y remains same. Okay, but it goes to where? Q1 only. That's why we write here q1 1. Next one, q1 on 1. So q1 on 1 means, q1 on 1 means it goes to q1 only, but it goes to the right side. Okay, so it goes to the q1 on 1. So q1 on 1 it goes to the left side. q1 on 1 it goes to the left side. This is a place of q1 on 1, it goes to the q2. So x remains same. Now this is q2. Okay, this y will be again, we have q1 on 1, it goes to the this one. But it shows the left side. So when it shows the left side, q2 on y, this is a left place of q2 on y, x remains same. So q2 on y go to q2 on y go to q2 only, but it is the left side. So I am writing in place of, in between x and x, q2. Then what is the value of this? Y. Okay, so next one, q2 on x. So what is in the q2 on x? q2 on x means q2 on x, it goes to q0. So q2 on x go to q0, but it is right side. So q2 on x it goes to, so this q2 on x it goes to q0. So here it goes to the right side. So q2 on x place is this one, right side. So x remains same. Again this x, q2 on x remains same. Again it will be converted as q0, and this is a yy. Okay, so next one, x again q2, q0 on y. So q0 on y goes to q3, but it is a right side value. Okay, so here this is called as a right side. So x, now what will be happened here? q0 on y goes to, y remains same, q0, and this q0 on y go to, q0 on y go to q3. That's why you write here q3 y. Okay, so next q3 y, this x y. So q3 on y go to where? So q3 on y go to q3 itself. So it is a right side. So q3 on right y go to right side. Then it will come here. So y remains same, y. Then we have here q3. Okay, so next one, after completion of this one, what will be happened here? X. So y on, so last one what we have? q3. So remember here we have blank symbol, and y. So q3 on blank symbol. So q3 on blank symbol, it goes to the qf. Okay, so this is called as a final state. So like this you can construct this instantaneous Turing machine. So one of the important point is 0 is 1 is there. So let us say this is q0 here, then 0 for the q0, this is called as left side part. This is called as a, this place is called as right side. I hope